In the world of small business operations, where every minute counts, having reliable and accessible support for your essential software is non-negotiable. This is especially true for critical functions like payroll and accounting, which are the backbone of any healthy enterprise. When using a solution like Patriot software, known for its straightforward approach to payroll and accounting, questions are bound to arise. Sometimes an online help article just doesn't cut it, and you need to speak to a human. This leads many users, or potential users, to ask, what is the phone number for Patriot software? As an expert in business software, I understand the urgency behind such a question. When it comes to payroll or financial queries, getting a direct answer quickly can prevent costly errors and keep your business running smoothly. For those in the United States seeking to connect with Patriot Software's customer support, the primary phone number is 1-877-968-7147. This number is your direct line to their customer support team, which is based in the USA. They are typically available during normal business hours, Monday through Friday, usually from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. It's always a good practice to check their official website for the most up-to-date hours of operation, as these can occasionally change. Beyond the phone, Patriot Software's support ecosystem. While having a direct phone number is incredibly valuable, it's important to understand that a phone call is just one piece of Patriot Software's comprehensive support ecosystem. A good software vendor, particularly one serving small businesses, understands that users have different preferences and needs when it comes to seeking help. Patriot Software offers a multi-channel approach to support, ensuring you can get assistance in the way that works best for you. Here's a look at the other ways you can connect with their support, which are often just as effective, if not more so, depending on the nature of your query. Online chat. For quick questions, or when you prefer typing over talking, Patriot Software typically offers an online chat feature within their platform or on their website. This can be incredibly convenient for getting real-time answers without the need to pick up the phone. Chat support usually operates during the same business hours as phone support. Email support. If your question isn't urgent or requires you to provide detailed information or attachments, email support is an excellent option. You can usually send an email to their support team, e.g., support@patriotsoftware.com for general payroll support or tax@patriotsoftware.com for tax-specific questions. This allows you to document your issue thoroughly and receive a detailed response. Extensive help center/knowledge base. Before even reaching out to support, many users find answers to their questions in Patriot Software's online help center or knowledge base. This is a vast library of articles, guides, and FAQs that cover a wide range of topics, from setting up your account to running payroll and generating reports. For common queries, this self-service option can be the fastest way to find a solution. Many articles also feature helpful screenshots and videos. In-software help icons and links. Patriot Software designs its platform with usability in mind. You'll often find context-sensitive help icons, usually a question mark in a circle, directly within the software. Clicking these icons can provide immediate explanations related to the specific field or section you're working on. There's often also a Get Help link at the top of any page within the software, leading you directly to their support resources. Why multi-channel support matters from a project management perspective. From a project management standpoint, especially when managing your business's financial operations, understanding these support channels is crucial. Efficiency. Knowing the best channel for your specific problem saves time. A quick how-to question might be best suited for the knowledge base or chat, while a complex tax issue might warrant a phone call or detailed email. Documentation. Email and chat provide a written record of your interactions, which can be invaluable for future reference, auditing, or if you need to escalate an issue. Minimizing disruptions. For small business owners who wear many hats, the ability to get support without being tied to a phone call can allow them to multitask and minimize disruption to their other work. Proactive problem solving. A well-structured help center encourages users to find answers themselves, fostering a sense of empowerment and reducing reliance on direct support for every minor query. Access to expertise. While the general support number connects you to a capable representative, some issues might require specialized expertise, e.g., tax specialists. Their tiered support and dedicated email addresses ensure your query reaches the right team. Important considerations: free versus premium support. It's also worth noting that Patriot software emphasizes free expert software support for routine questions. This is a significant benefit, as some software providers charge for higher levels of support. However, for more in-depth issues, such as corrections or adjustments to past payrolls or amended tax returns, Patriot software may offer premium support with associated fees. These fees are clearly outlined on their website, so it's good to be aware of them for more complex scenarios. In summary, if you need to speak with Patriot software directly, the phone number 1-877-968-7147 is your primary contact for customer support during their business hours. However, remember to explore their comprehensive support ecosystem, including chat, email, and their extensive online help center. This multifaceted approach ensures that users of Patriot software have ample ways to get the assistance they need to keep their payroll and accounting running smoothly, allowing them to focus on what they do best: growing their business.